The assignment of a new date for the summation became necessary because of the volume of evidence that is being reviewed, as well as because of the administrative responsibilities of Chief Justice Brian Sykes, who has been hearing the matter.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and give me a million like, click on another video. Now, we just a touch on this thing briefly, but on the hear where that say the submission in the Klansman trial is postponed because Brian Sykes is overwhelmed with work and other obligation. This is a no-brainer. From day one, I said, how can they let one judge, try over 33 people, gang member on hundreds and hundreds of charges? Yo, they should have had a special tribunal or a special court for the gang. So when them write the gang law, them should have write into it a special court. This kind of thing should be tried with more than one judge, and it should also be a jury trial in my opinion. Now, they're saying Brian Sykes have other obligation, he's overwhelmed, the amount of work, the amount of technicality, because you have to have a coordinator in the court, you have to have a this, you have to have a that. So why didn't they think of that before him take the whole case? Explain that. Now, I say another vlogger do a story upon Brian Sykes and say, yo, the man then buy him out and he must sell out the case. And it look like a that a go on. Yo, me from day one know say him alone couldn't deal with that case, yeah. But there's another thing when I noticed with that judge, yeah. Him a go after constitutionality and constitution thing in the court system, and it doesn't make sense in this case. Let me explain to you. Now, you did have a brother out on bail, and him one of the Klansman and him get murder, which it's reported the police did it. So Brian Sykes said him don't have any proof of that. Him need to see a death certificate. Said the man dead. And the police come to court and said that the man dead. Them kill him. Time they dip on bail. And him not believe. He's going after constitution law. And I guess I'm trying to figure out his mindset. He must say, boy, him not see nobody. This, that, ray. And just being real technical. No, they're saying his caseload and this and that. So it's like it get tired, he might get tired of it, and it's overwhelming. It's overwhelming for anybody. Me, it's overwhelming for me for just even do that vlog upon it to blow out. Cause the amount of video I do upon Klansman them to bombard. You understand? So, yo, I feel like that brother y'all go F up the case. And him gonna make them boy a walk. Because listen, what he's creating right here, and after I say this, I'm gonna end the video, yeah. What Brian is doing, he's creating a constitutional challenge and a constitutional mix-up with this case as it pertains to these guys. So you better know so these guys are going to appeal, and they're gonna appeal on the fact that the judge made error in this case because of how big the case is, the amount of technicality in the case, the coordination and all sort of things that it took to get this case even in front of the judge. And it is a major case in the Caribbean, and if not in the world. You understand, when it comes to gang. So I think that's what Brian is doing. He's creating a constitutional challenge with this case for the money, or is either I must sell it out. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button and click on another video. And yeah, me I keep up to date with that girl there, the monster mommy. Cause I do an update on her and check out that video there too. Alright, bye.